In this demonstration, we will create a shared workspace. Click Workspaces and select Shared. Click Add Workspace. Enter a title for the workspace and select the type, either personal or shared. Click Add Page or select Add Page from the Add menu. Enter a title for the page and click the Save icon. Click Add Widget. The list of available widgets appears on the right. Use the filters on the left to narrow down the list of widgets. Click the plus sign to add the widget to the workspace page. The widget is added in the background. Close the panel by clicking the X at the top. Organize widgets by dragging the widget to a different area of the page. Widgets can also be resized by clicking and dragging a bottom corner. When finished, click Finish Editing. To edit a workspace, click Edit Workspace. Click the gear icon to configure widget settings, or click the trash can icon to delete the widget. Click Finish Editing. A technician can create a personal workspace and later share with the organization by clicking the vertical ellipsis and selecting Share Workspace.